What if I told you there's a tiny robot vacuum claiming to keep your floors clean while you literally do nothing? Sounds too good to be true, so is DustaPro actually worth buying, or is it just another internet hype? According to the official website, DustaPro is a compact robot vacuum designed for everyday cleaning. With one-button operation, it automatically picks up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris while sliding under furniture that regular vacuums struggle to reach. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and made for quick daily maintenance on hard floors. But here's the important part. They never claim it's a replacement for a full-size vacuum. Independent reviewers also point out that it's best for light cleaning, not deep carpet cleaning or heavy messes. That's why it's smart to read real customer reviews before ordering. So here's the verdict. If you're expecting a premium robot vacuum that replaces deep cleaning, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you want a small helper to reduce everyday dust and crumbs, DustaPro could be worth considering. Would you trust a robot to clean your home? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for honest gadget reviews before you spend your money.